Mr. Reynolds, do you have an attorney?
No, I do not.
Okay. Mr. Reynolds, you are charged as follows. It is alleged that in Butler County, Kansas, on February 15th of this year, so a defective tag light, basically, that's an infraction. That's probably what got you stopped. So you've got the one traffic infraction, the tag light, you've got transporting an open container, uh, possession of paraphernalia and possession of marijuana, which are all misdemeanors, and then possession of cocaine is a felony. So what's your lawyer situation? Are you going to hire an attorney or
I'm going to hire a lawyer. I'm in the midst of it right now, Your
okay,
Honor.
you know who you're talking to?
John Boyle.
Okay. When you hire your attorney that he or she has that on their calendar and you both need to be present for that. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's see here. This case began with the summons. It was served. The summons commanded your appearance today. You did appear on schedule. So I'll likely do an OR bond. What's your recommendation, Mr. Regier?
Your Honor, the state has no objection to an OR bond in this matter, given that the defendant does appear in the fashion that he does today. However, the state is recommending a relatively high OR bond, given the particular facts of this case, $10,000 OR. This is a defendant who the state understands has a history of prior traffic misdemeanor convictions. It would appear that pursuant to pages 1 and 2 of the affidavit, law enforcement located a white powdery substance consistent with cocaine, a white container containing a significant amount of leafy green substance of approximately 16 grams with the odor of marijuana, and approximately 14 empty alcoholic beverage containers inside of the vehicle. It would appear that the defendant, upon being questioned by law enforcement, admitted that the white powdery substance was cocaine, as well as described the process by which he obtained both cocaine and marijuana from multiple sources in both Wichita, Kansas, and Missouri. And it would also appear that later on during the traffic encounter, it is alleged that the law enforcement retrieved a bag of approximately 11 grams of white powdery substance consistent with cocaine from the area between the defendant's anal and testicular regions. So therefore, the state is recommending at the very least $10,000 OR. I will, of course, defer to the court as to whether or not any orders on scram monitoring or no contact with alcohol, illegal drugs, and the alternative is appropriate in this matter. And as count 1 does appear to be charged as a level 5 drug felony, there is still the issue of booking and bond pursuant to KSA 212501.
Where are you today, Mr. Reynolds?
I am at my home in Garnett, Kansas.
I'm sorry?
I am at my residence at Garnett, Kansas.
Okay. All right, I'm going to set your bond the amount of $7,500 OR. A condition of your bond will be no drugs or alcohol. Make all court appearances. I'm noting that you're going to hire your own attorney. Your next appearance is July 7th at 2:30. Next Monday, you need to come to 201 West Pine, El Dorado, Kansas. Come into
All
the
right.
Judicial Center and sign your bond. If you fail to do that, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're in recess. Thank you.